Hey guys, did you ever notice this huge wall outside the elementary school?
Yeah, I've always wondered how stuff like this gets made.
I wonder if there's a company around here that could show us.
I think that's just concrete that's around here.
I think you're right. Let's go check it out.
Everything we do and everywhere we go and every building that we get into has concrete in it.
I would say it's the science behind it. To me, that's what really keeps me interested.
This water all go into the truck dry. Then it starts mixing and turning into actual concrete. So it needs to actually mix for a certain amount of revolutions.
He does what's called a slump. And what the slump is, the slump tells us how easy it's going to be to work with. The other test that he does, he takes the temperature of the concrete, or unit weight of the concrete itself, so he'll also do an air test. We rotate them on the back side, we undo the spindles and the clamps, we use the forklift to pull the core out, we set it behind it.
Everything we do, people rely on for safety and security.
It's one of the few things that you build with that doesn't end up in the same state that it showed up in. It's a challenge sometimes.
I definitely learned a lot about concrete manufacturing today.
The coolest part was seeing the concrete get mixed and poured.
I like to learn about all the different ways it can be used.
The main kind of concrete.